Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Harassing phone calls can be a deeply unsettling and even frightening experience, leaving you wondering what legal recourse you have. The police can indeed help, but understanding when and how to involve them is crucial for a successful outcome. What constitutes a harassing phone call? Generally, a harassing phone call involves repeated calls made with the intent to annoy, abuse, threaten, or harass someone. This isn't just a wrong number, it's a pattern of unwanted communication. It can include obscene language, threats of violence, or simply repeated calls designed to disturb your peace. Many states now include harassing texts and online messages under similar laws. When to contact the police? You should contact the police when the calls become persistent, contain credible threats, make you feel unsafe, or if you've explicitly asked the person to stop and they continue. Do not wait until you are in extreme distress if the pattern is clear. Steps to take before calling the police: evidence gathering. Before you even dial 911 or your local non-emergency police number, gather as much evidence as possible. 1. Do not engage. Avoid speaking to the caller, yelling back, or giving them any more information. Your goal is to stop the harassment, not escalate it. 2. Keep a detailed log. Write down the date, time, and caller ID, if available, for every call. Briefly note what was said or if it was just silence. This log creates a clear pattern for the police. 3. Save voicemails and texts. These are critical pieces of evidence. Do not delete them. Screenshot texts if necessary. If your state allows one-party consent recording, you might be able to record calls, but check your local laws first. 4. Consider blocking. While blocking can stop the immediate calls, sometimes police prefer you don't block right away, as it can interfere with their ability to trace or gather further evidence. Discuss this with them. 5. Contact your phone company. They might have services like call tracing or call blocking, or they can provide records of incoming calls that can help your case. What the police can do once you have evidence and contact law enforcement: here's what they can typically do. 1. Take a formal report. This officially documents the harassment and is the first step in any investigation. 2. Investigate. If the caller is unknown, police might work to identify them through phone records, caller ID spoofing techniques, or other investigative tools. 3. Issue a warning. Often, if the caller is identified and the threats are not immediate, police may contact the individual and issue a stern warning to cease and desist. This alone can often stop the harassment. 4. Make an arrest and press charges. If the harassment continues after a warning, or if the initial calls involve severe threats, stalking, or other criminal activity, the police can make an arrest. Harassing phone calls are often misdemeanors, but can be felonies depending on the state's laws and the severity or duration of the harassment. 5. Advise on restraining orders. Police can guide you through the process of obtaining a civil restraining order or protection order, which legally prohibits the individual from contacting you. Sometimes, a criminal court will issue such an order as part of a conviction. Remember, laws vary by state, and police resources can differ. The more evidence you provide, the stronger your case will be. Your safety is paramount, so do not hesitate to reach out to law enforcement if you are receiving harassing phone calls. Thank you for watching and taking the time to understand your rights regarding harassing phone calls. If you found this information helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more legal insights and practical advice.